Imagine this. It's December 31st, 2025. You're looking back, smiling, not just because the year is over, but because you crushed it. Every goal you set, achieved, your finances, thriving, your body, strong, healthy, your relationships, deeper than ever. You didn't just survive this year, you owned it. And here's the crazy part. This doesn't have to be some distant fantasy. This can be your reality. And it all starts with one simple thing. Something so powerful, it should be taught to everyone at the age of 13. But before I reveal this life-changing habit, let me ask you something. How many times have you made New Year's resolutions? Promised yourself that this time, everything would be different. And then by February, it all fades away. Not because you're lazy, not because you lack motivation. It's because you tried to change everything at once with no foundation to build on. The problem isn't you, it's the method. And today, I'm going to hand you a shortcut. A habit so simple, so underrated, it almost feels like a cheat code. But this, right here, is what separates the top 5% from everyone else. It's called daily reflection. And no, you don't need a fancy notebook, expensive apps, or hours of free time. All you need is 5 minutes. That's it. At the end of each day, sit down, breathe, open a blank page, it can be your notes app, and answer 3 questions, just 3. Number 1, what went well today? Number 2, what could I improve? Number 3, what's my plan for tomorrow? This simple routine rewires your brain. It pulls you out of autopilot and puts you in the driver's seat of your life. You stop drifting and start leading. With clarity, focus, and intention. Sounds too easy, right? That's what I thought too. At first, I was skeptical. Like, how are 5 minutes gonna change anything? But I gave it a shot. And within a month, everything started shifting. I began seeing patterns. I realized what was draining me, what was stressing me, and what actually pushed me forward. I cut out distractions. I focused on what truly mattered. By the end of that year, I'd hit my fitness goals, doubled my income, and, more importantly, I felt like I was in control of my own life. It wasn't luck, it was awareness. And that's the truth. Most people don't fail because they lack talent. They fail because they lack awareness. They live their lives putting out fires instead of building direction. Daily reflection gives you clarity. It shows you what's working, what's not, and where to go next. It's like updating your life's GPS every single day. So here's my challenge to you. Tonight, take 5 minutes. Just 5. Write down one thing you're proud of today, one thing you could do better, and one action you'll take tomorrow. Do that for the next 7 days. If nothing changes, you can stop. But I promise you, something will shift. If you're ready to make 2025 the year you truly level up, it starts now. Not next week, not next month, right now. And if this video hits something inside you, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that subscribe button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and drop a comment below, I'm starting today. Because that is what separates the dreamers from the doers. It's not talent, it's not luck, it's not money, it's decisions. It's you showing up for yourself for 5 minutes every single day. Let's go.